Hello students, my name is Sunita Saraf and I will teach you English. There are some important points which I want to share with you. You have to change the concept of mother teacher. मतलब इसका कि जैसे आप किंडरगार्टन में थे तो आपको एक ही टीचर पढ़ाती थी. अब आपको वो कॉन्सेप्ट चेंज करना है. अब आपको क्लास 1 में हर सब्जेक्ट की अलग अलग टीचर मिल जाएगी. Separate teachers for each subject. One thing you have to keep in your mind, you will get a lot of time at your home, so you have to utilize it. इसका उपयोग आपको अच्छी तरह से करना है. जो टाइम आपको घर में मिलेगा उसको आपको अच्छी तरह से उपयोग करना है. And most important thing is that you have to improve your speed of writing. लिखने की स्पीड को इम्प्रूव करना है. राइट 3-4 पेजेस डेली एट योर होम. ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव योर रीडिंग हैबिट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेंट यू द नोट्स ऑफ चैप्टर 1 द अल्फ़ाबेट एंड वर्कशीट ऑल्सो. होप यू हैव डन इट इन योर नोटबुक. आशा करती हूँ आपने अपनी कॉपियों में इसको किया होगा. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Now, our first chapter is the alphabet. You have already learned about alphabets in your previous classes. So, today I will explain the chapter of alphabet before you. Now, how many letters? A, B, C, we call these letters. So, how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Now the letters which are written like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We call these letters capital letters. What do we call these letters? We call these capital letters. Okay. And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And these are called small letters. What are they called? Small letters. Okay. जैसे मैंने आपको असाइनमेंट्स दी थी. राइट द मिसिंग लेटर मीन्स M. In fill up what you have to write? N. O. In fill up P, Q, R, S. You have to write missing letters and complete this pattern. Okay. Second one I have given you also, match the following. You have to match capital letters with small letters. You hope you have done this. Now next comes, what comes after A? इट कम्स बी के बाद क्या आता है? सी के बाद क्या आता है? डी के बाद क्या आता है? ई के बाद क्या आता है? एफ. You know, all of you know this. So here I have given you the letters. What comes before C and what comes after C. Before means C से पहले क्या आता है और C के बाद में क्या आता है? After. Before and after. Before का मतलब पहले and after का मतलब बाद में. ठीक है. Okay. Now write the letter. I have also given this question. Write the letters in alphabetic orders. You have to understand this and then write it in alpha. What comes first? What comes this? What comes then? What comes them? You have to do this. After that, I have given you the concept of vowels and consonants. ठीक है. These are the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are two colors used in this. One is red. There are two colors used in this. One is blue and other is red. The letters which are written in blue, A, E, I, and U. These are written in blue color. So I will explain here you to you. Letters A, E, I, O, U. What we call them? We will call them vowels. हम इनको vowels बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? Vowels. और जो बाकी letters बच जाते हैं, these are 5 letters. तो and total letters are 26. 26 में 5 हमारे क्या बन गए? -5 हो गए vowels. ये vowels बन गए. ठीक है. और जो 21 letters बच गए उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कंसोनेंट्स. क्या बोलते हैं? कंसोनेंट्स. ओके, वी कॉल देम कंसोनेंट्स. ये जैसे यहाँ हमारा बी, सी, डी, एफ, जी, एच, जे, के, एल, एम, एन, पी, क्यू, आर, एस, टी, वी, डब्ल्यू, X, Y. What do we, and Z? What do we call them? We call them consonants. In vowels and consonants, I have given you the exercise. You have to you have to. I hope you have completed it in your notebook. I will go through a revision. Now, color the vowels in red. इसमें क्या करना है? जो आपको वॉवेल्स हो गए, यू हैव टू कलर इट इन रेड एंड कंसोनेंट्स इन ग्रीन. ठीक है. जैसे सी है, वॉवेल ए हुआ तो आपने इसको रेड से कलर किया. सी है कंसोनेंट तो आपने इसको ग्रीन से कलर किया. डी है कंसोनेंट तो आपने इसको किससे कलर किया? ग्रीन से. और आपका ई है, इट इज अ वॉवेल, यू हैव टू कलर इट इन रेड. ओके, आई होप यू हैव understood. Okay, next one, I have given you the exercise. You have to complete by filling blanks by vowels. जैसे पहला हमने दिया था B, फिर डैश था T. What is this? It is a picture of bat. So you have to write here A. Okay, it is a picture of car. So you what we will write here? CAR, car. It is a picture of hut. So what do you have to write it? HUT, hut. It's the picture of hen. You have to write HEN, hen. So it's a picture of dog. DOG, dog. It's a picture of zip. You have to write ZIP, zip. So if all the blanks are filled with vowels. Okay, clear? Next one, I have given you the question. Fill the names of birds with consonant. जैसे ये पिक्चर थी आउल की. सॉरी, with animals name. Okay, first one is, what is the picture? This picture is of owl. So you have to write it W. The consonant is WOWL, owl. Second picture is of duck. So you have to write here DUCK, duck. Third picture is of fish. You have to write either. You have to write here fish, FISH, fish. And fourth one is of bird. So what will you write here? Consonant BIRD, bird. If you get any exercise, extra exercise, if there is any book available regarding alphabets at your home, practice those exercises all. You will so that your concept will be clear about vowels and consonants. So here is a quick revision what we studied today. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, and we call them small letters and capital letters. And next I teach you about vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are vowels. And consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H. These are consonants. Means there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Total these are 26 letters. मतलब A, E, I, O, U को छोड़ के जितने भी letters है इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट्स में, उनको हम consonants कहते हैं. Practice the worksheet which I have given you. Students, to understand this chapter, go through this video twice. Stay safe. Stay at your home. and manage your time accordingly. I will meet you in next class. Till then, goodbye. Love you all.